Boom! Hello everybody. Hello Uncle Bill's crappie attitude hat wearing lady. Well, we are going back to Ray Roberts, and we are going to do an experiment. And what the heck is that? That's a big old something. What is it?
Is it a buzzard?
It's a hawk. It's a giant freaking hawk.
I have a camera on the thing.
All right. Anyways, she's getting her camera ready. I think we saw a hawk over here. So we're going to do an experiment. We are going to get bluegill. We have our cat rods, and last time we saw the what is that? It is a hawk. Look at that.
Hold on. Wait, stop. What's wrong with my camera? It won't focus.
That's pretty cool, y'all. I'm gonna see if I can zoom in on him. He's just chilling up there. Oh, there he goes.
Oh shit, I missed him. Where'd he go?
There he is right there.
Oh man, I missed it.
That was cool. I got him on the GoPro. Maybe I can zoom in. Anyways, y'all, so we're going to catch bluegill, and if we see the big flathead roaming around there like last time, we'll cut them up. We got cat gear now, and because Vicky had hooked into one last weekend, and of course we had inadequate equipment, so this time hopefully we'll get them. If not, hopefully we'll get into a mess of bluegill and crappie, and chase some sandies again. Last time we chased the sandies, but they didn't want anything to do with us, so we will see what adventure we come up with at Ray Roberts. Right, lady?
Yes.
Right, Blondie? Blondie. All right, I'll see y'all on the water. First one of the day, of course. Vicky had to get him. Good job, lady.
He's stuck.
Uncle Bill's hat works.
You brought me some luck.
Yeah, it's a little one, but it's all right.
I need the pliers.
All right. Oh, what a beautiful day. We've already caught about a couple of them, a couple nice ones. There's a lot of small ones mixed in there, but if we can hone in on the big ones, we'll be all right. A lot of action today. A lot of action. There's some big ones down here. Come on, fishies. Cat doggy. There's something going on here. Oh yeah, just like that. Probably another small one. Yeah, little one. All right. The only thing that sucks about this brush pile, y'all, is pretty well known. It's got host tons of fish right now, but of course it's right in the middle of it's like a highway here, so you know, kind of have to throw that out the window, courtesy and whatever. That's pretty much everywhere anyway. But Vicky, I have a magnet here for a reason. Keep it here.
You're the one that left it there.
I did not.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. Maybe I did. I don't remember. I don't remember.
I was looking for it over there.
The world may never know. She had it the whole time.
I didn't know.
And I got off. That was about a 10 maybe.
Heck,
A 10 incher.
bigger than your 9 incher.
Whatever. So anyways, y'all, here's my setup. I got a little T-bar here. I put these magnets with the little clip on here on this Sam's FX or EX. Got it on Amazon. Pretty cool. I like these. I'm using my minnow nibbles chop them up. And this color is really doing great out here for deep water. And yeah, just hone in on the big crappie, and we're doing all right now. We're actually right under a big pile of crappie, so I'm gonna push this off a little bit and then I'm gonna drop it down just like this right there. Boom, there I am. It's worth the spot lock that doesn't even work that well, but as long as I'm on them, I'm all right. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. Oh, that feels like a good one. It's kind of hard to tell because they're kind of deep, but that's a nice one. Just how SK says, just a little old nice, and I think SK catches bigger crappie than I do for sure. And I got my little measuring deal here on my rod. I also got it at Amazon right there, and it's about a 10. And I'm gonna let them go. Too small. I'll let them go. Gotcha. Oh yeah, that feels pretty good. Maybe. Not bad, not bad. Yo. Yeah, outlaw crappie rod, baby. That's about 12. All right, lady, we're in business. Okay. Nice. Oh, Chihuahua. Here, you want to use the pliers? So you won't get finned, or you got it? Okay. Oh, let's get it. Gotcha. We may limit out today, at least to one man, but if we can keep these big little ones off, I'll catch the little ones for you, Vicky.
Fine with me.
And you get the big ones. The smallest bluegill in the world.
Do we need him?
Yeah, let's yeah. Look what I caught, everybody. I caught it, not Vicky. Not Vicky. Well, looks like Vicky caught her fish, y'all.
Purity, I'm gonna kiss him. No way. He's 15.
Tails at the very end?
Yeah, look.
Okay. 15 and a half. Almost. Well, you gotta close them up.
Ow! Yeah?
15 and a half?
No, 15.
15. Okay.
Oh, shit.
That's awesome. Yeah, she didn't even know what she had. She thought she got stuck. A big old freaking crappie. But anyways, y'all, got this freaking Yahoo right here. But we're having a blast. So, nice bluegill. Yes. Give it slack. That's good. Yay. All right, that's a nice hand size, pan size. And y'all be sure to go check out Mr. Slab Hunter. He has an awesome channel dedicated to a lot of panfish and bank fishing. So DFW area, pretty cool guy. Maybe I'll get to fish with him one day. There's a hand size, pan size for you, Mr. Slab Hunter. Well, y'all, looks like the freaking Yahoos are coming in full force. It's right there, look.
Oh,
right there. All right, I'm using one of Roger's, my buddy Pescando con Roger's paddle tails. Vicky's using minnows, and I'm using little pieces of minnow, crappie nibbles. But now these freaking people, gotta take the good with the bad. There's a really good spot right there where she's at, and over here also. These timbers are just covered with good fish. You're gonna have to go on this side, babe, because The wind's blowing us that way, so you're gonna have to go on this side. Oh, you're gonna have to. Hello, babe. Just the stump's right there.
Where?
Your face.
Oh. Shut it.
Gotcha. Ooh, this one feels kind of heavy. Ah, it's a little crappie. I don't know why it feels so heavy. Get something?
Yeah, I didn't know what happened.
A little crappie. Oh boy, boy. You got him, lady. That's a nice one. Just swing him in. Here. Okay. There you go.
I had him in here.
That's funny. Another little one.
You took my minnow, jerk.
My wife's crazy, y'all. Another Fishing with Fredo special jig. They're loving that chartreuse and yellow color. Very nice. It was like my third one, just bam, bam, bam. I'm not even recording. Oh, turn it on. Oh, never mind, I got it. Well, everybody, this is our last brush pile. I didn't get into any Appaloosas like we wanted to. I didn't find them. Did find plenty of big bluegill, so I took them home to eat. And as you can see, it's jam-packed out here. Paddle boarders, wakeboarders, bass fishermen, you name it. Even a helicopter was flying about 20 or 30 feet low from the water that just came upon us, and I just didn't have the camera going, but that was pretty cool to see. Did you get a picture of it? No?
Might have.
No.
I'm not sure.
But anyways, we're on this last brush pile, and as you can see, it's pretty loaded, and they're biting on the green and chartreuse. My green and chartreuse hand-tied jig with pieces of minnow, and we've got a pretty good amount of fish. We're pretty happy. So anyway, let's see how we do here, and then we're gonna call it. 26. Got it? Yeah, they're hitting pretty good. There's some big crappie mixed in there.
I don't know how far I went down.
All the way down. They're at the very bottom. This is what I'm using, y'all. Man, Vicky's using a pink and chartreuse. I call it the Kid Crappie Creek Special. I don't know what I call this one, but it's pretty dang effective with these little pieces of... Oh, she almost got it. Almost got it. Of course, Vicky so far has the big fish of the day, so it's probably gonna stay like that. But we'll see. Good job, lady. Oh, we almost had doubles. Oh, these freaking douchebags, man. Golly. You got one? Got him? Is it a big one? Oh, yeah. Oh. All right. Nice job, lady. Well, Vicky's showing off again. Whatever. Okay, these stupid wakeboarding inconsiderate people are what kicking our butts. That's about 11. Nice. It's your fish, you get the splash. What do we got here? Is that a big old crappie? Oh yeah, it's a nice crappie. All right, lady. Good job, lady. All right, nice. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. That's all right. Maybe they're helping us catch, right? Yeah, but it's okay. Yeah. I caught him, lady. I said I caught him, lady.
Darn time.
Shut up. All right, y'all. I think I hooked into something good here. Here we got. What do we got? Oh, it's a catfish. Never mind.
Channel.
Stupid cat channel.
I wouldn't even try it.
What do we got, y'all? What do we got? A baby crappie. That's a pretty cute little crappie. Alright, let's see what she got here, buddy. Yeah, nice crappie. Oh, let's see. Nice crappie. That's in 12 maybe. Yeah. Definitely could be a 12. On the Fishing with Fredo special. The Kid Crappie special. Yeah, I got him. That's a little one though, I could tell. See? Alright, lady. Man, there was a big fish looking at yours.
You didn't like it.
Yeah, 9.5, I called it. Did you want to go, babe?
Yeah, I'm also.
Alright, let's go. I hope the bull won't be too crazy. Well, everybody, it's a hot day, pain in the ass, boaters, but it was worth it. Let's see what we got, Mom. Moms.
Lots of fishies today.
Nice. Of course, her big one's in there. That's good. Did you have fun, lady?
I did.
All right, y'all. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this episode of Fishing with Fredo. And we will see you on the water again. And looks like everything's working good. Too bad we didn't get it to a flathead, but that's the way it goes. Next time. All right. Thank you and God bless everybody. Bye.